Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to become headless and dress and press new Halloween update. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that the Halloween update has been dropped in Dress and Press, and this is a big update guys. They have added a lot of things in this update, and you can be headless using the Halloween Pose Pack. So if you want to be headless, you need to go to this menu and go to the packs, and here you will see Halloween Pose Pack, and there will be 8 poses that you can apply, and I'm going to view the poses. Okay, this is so cool guys. And this one, headless pose, and you can buy this Halloween Pose Pack to be headless and dress and press. And of course you can use it to join the Halloween theme or the creepy theme, or it's up to you. And this is so cool. And it cost 4,900 money, and I don't have enough money to buy this post bag, so I need to farm money first. But yeah, it's worth to buy, and I think we need to buy this pack before it's removed. I don't know whether they will remove this post pack or not, but it will be better if we get it sooner, I mean. Okay guys, and that's all the way to be headless and dress and press Halloween update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.